This gochujang glazed chicken fried steak sandwich with kimchi slaw is an instant elevation to certified Angus beef cube steak. Another way this sandwich is the bomb is we're doing this all in the air fryer. So that means no oil splatter and it's a little bit healthier. To make sure that we're getting a really crispy outer crunch, we're using corn flakes for the breading. These hold up phenomenally in an air fryer, so we're just breading like normal and coating really evenly with the crushed cornflakes. A flavor bomb addition to the sandwich is our charred scallion mayo that we're putting on the buns. Pop your breaded cube steaks into the air fryer, chop up your charred scallion into your mayo, and start the gochujang glaze. Toast your buns and get that charred scallion mayo on there, and then a homemade pickle never disappoints. Get your cube steaks out of the air fryer and immediately toss them with that gochujang glaze. The breading soaks up all of that flavor but stays nice and crispy. And the kimchi slaw adds the perfect amount of tangy crunch. You're welcome for inspiring you to elevate your cube steak. Get the full recipe on our website, and remember, if it's not certified, it's not the best.